Hi, my name is Megan Shepard. I'm the pastry chef with Signature Catering and Events, and we also have a takeout kitchen. I'm here for what's cooking in the Lowcountry, and tonight we have a key lime pie that I've made already. It's always better to make your desserts, especially a custard base, the day before so it has time to chill, but I'm gonna cut it and decorate it with y'all. So we started with a graham cracker crust, which is just graham crackers, butter, sugar melted, and then I just pack it in the Pyrex that I have here. It's good, it helps to use the bottom of your measuring spoon to kind of really pack it in there, and then I'll par bake it while I make my custard to go in it. The custard is just some sweetened condensed milk, some egg yolks, so key limes. This is actually what a key lime looks like, the little guys. I saved the work of juicing them all, and I just use this really fresh key lime juice that they do sell in stores for you. So I'm gonna cut her for you. I'll cut her into 10 pieces. Just get like a really good knife, slicing knife, and I'll just start down the middle and pull towards yourself. Make sure you always wipe your knife afterwards because you don't want the gunk to kind of show up on each piece. I'm gonna slice her into 10 pieces for us. So once you par bake your custard or your crust, you pour your custard in there, and then it just bakes for about 20 minutes, and your regular oven is fine. And then make sure you just get it in the cooler to set overnight for you. And then it's just ready. You can keep it out, eat at room temperature. Let it sit out for you about 15 minutes before you want to eat it. And it's just a really classic Southern pie that we sell here. I sell it in my storefront that we have at the Surge Takeout Kitchen. We sell tons of it. I'm making it all the time. So there we go. Now, to kind of help be able to pull it out, just run your knife around, and then we'll get some fresh whipped cream into a piping bag. I know. And we'll just pipe around the sides, just kind of going up and down. And finish with some zest. Around the edge just for some color, and then some toasted pecans. And then that is how you decorate a fresh key lime pie. Thank you for having me in What's Cooking in the Lowcountry here at Rollers. I am at Signature Catering Events. We're located at 12 Capitol Drive, kind of a funky spot. But we have tons of options for you with frozen meals, and thanks for having me.